Educated by Tara Westover. Educated in the memoir Tara by Westover about her journey from growing up in a strict survivalist family in rural Idaho to earning PhD from University of Cambridge. Isolated from a formal education, Tara's family valued self-sufficiency over schooling. Despite this, Tara developed a strong desire for knowledge and eventually left home to pursue education. Overcoming a deeper trauma and complex family relationship, the memoir explores themes of education, self-discovery, and the struggle for personal freedom. Educated examines the themes of freedom, the quest of knowledge, and the tension between family loyalty and personal growth. Tara's journey shows transformative power of education, not just academically, but as shaping one's identity. The memoir raises questions about self-determination and the cost of breaking away from the restrictive past to shape a new future. Tara's story highlights the importance of education in gaining personal freedom and independence. It reflects the challenges of balancing family loyalty and the needs of self-growth. Educated remind us the transformative power of learning how it to unlock new possibilities, even in the face of difficult circumstances.